Hi, I'm Jackie Jones with Remax Crosstown, and today I'd like to introduce you to 42 O'Neill Circle in the sawed-off community of Phelpston. From the manicured front lawn, interlocking, triple-car garage, and parking for 12, this is one you're not going to want to miss. But before we go inside, let's go take a look at the amazing backyard.
If you're looking for your forever home, this just might be the one. This backyard is truly a gem, loaded with mature maple trees, lots of privacy, and a great deck for entertaining. This might be one of the nicest yards in all of Phelpston.
Now, this is a garage to brag about, with the man door coming from that beautiful yard we just seen, built-in shelving, a custom workbench, and 200 amp service. And did I mention this garage is spotless?
This entire home is meticulously maintained and pride of ownership is evident throughout. This open concept bungalow features large principal rooms, bamboo flooring, and a cozy fireplace. Who wouldn't love cooking in this spacious kitchen featuring a walk-in pantry and a custom office nook? And who wouldn't mind doing dishes with this great view? The primary bedroom is bright and airy, featuring a lovely ensuite with a separate tub and shower. Two additional good-sized bedrooms and full bathroom complete this main floor. Centrally located just 15 minutes between Barrie and Elmvale, and located just steps away to the general store, which features a newly added LCBO, this community offers multiple parks for your family to enjoy all the sports they love.
For more information on this property or any of our other properties, please find us on all social media platforms or visit us at joneshomes.ca.